Here we go, everybody. This is exactly why we do this. This is Wheel Collectors, everybody. Matchbox Q case is hot off the truck. We have been waiting for Matchbox to come in for quite some time. It finally came in. We actually got a whole pallet of stuff, so I'll be doing a couple of these videos today. We got Matchbox, we got DC Comics character cars, we got Marvel character cars, and we got Matchbox 5 packs. So we got a lot of stuff to show you today. But first, I am going to show you Matchbox Q case. Like I said, we've been anticipating Q case for quite some time. It's not normally, 4 months in between releases. Again, we don't always know when we're going to get stuff. But we're thankful that we did. I'm going to give you a top-down view here. There's some glare on the bubbles. But I'm going to do this like I do the Hot Wheels cases, which is 3x3. Looks like there's a lot of 2 per the case on this. Okay, here we go. First 3 of Matchbox Q. If I can grab them. Here we go. First 3 cars. We've got a 2013 Ford Cargo. We've got another 2013 Ford Cargo. Then we've got a Subaru Sambar Truck. This dude right here is brand new. Look at that thing. That is cool. Matchbox, I'll be honest with you guys, when we first started this about a decade ago, I didn't understand Matchbox's point of view. But it has turned out to be one of my absolutely favorite things to open. Oh, look at this. Okay, we got the Subaru Sambar Truck. So that's 2 per case. Look at this. Oh my goodness. We got something called the Poop King. Look at that thing. It's got like 2 porta potties in the bed there. So obviously they're delivering it to somewhere. I don't know if those come out or not. But that's pretty funny, guys. All right. Next 3. Here we go. Okay. We got 2 Ice Cream Kings. And then we have a Volkswagen Type 3.4 Karman Ghia. Check that out. Got green paint. This ice cream truck's kind of interesting. Look at that. It says Yummy Junior's cones on it. Cool. The next 3 in the box. We've got another Volkswagen Type 3.4 Karman Ghia. And then we have one of the ever popular Mercedes-Benz G63 Amg 6x6. That one came out a couple years ago, but this is a recolor. Check that out. Cool. The next 3 in the case. Got 51. Sorry. Sometimes they're a little slick. We got the 51 Willys Jeep Pickup 4x4. 2 per case. Here's a good view of that one. Pretty cool. Then we have a 33 Plymouth PC Sedan. It says Metro City Police on the side with a 3 on it. That's pretty sick, guys. I like that one. The next 3 cars, and as you guys know, Matchbox is 24 cars per case. So the next one is the Plymouth PC Sedan again. The 11 Mini Countryman. And then the 62 Nissan Junior. So that one was in the previous three. There's the Countryman. And then, you know what? I always kind of like the Nissan Junior. What is that on the side there? Oh, check this out. It's a Sriracha truck. Sriracha hot sauce on the Nissan Junior. Bang. Okay, 6 more in the box here. The first 3 are the Ghe-0 Predator. We've had that one before a couple of times. It's in black and blue. Then we have the MBX Digger, which we've also had before. And then this, check this out. Got the hot pink 55 Cadillac Fleetwood. Sweet. Okay, the last 3 cars in the case. Got the Maza CX-5. Right there. We've got a sick colored Scania P360. This is always a favorite. Check that out. Very cool. And then the last car is a red Road Tripper. There we go. Thanks everybody for joining us. Again, this was hot off the truck today. Don't always know when we're going to get it, but I'm going to love it because Matchbox is, like I said, one of our favorite things to open now. I'm going to give you guys a top-down view here of the case. Thank you again for joining. I've got 2 more breakers today, 2 more hot off the trucks. So thank you again for joining us. Stay tuned.